Good morning. For some of us, we're having our first significant snow of the winter. It is settling. It's settling on many of the major motorway networks now across southern and eastern parts of the UK. This was Clapham just an hour or so ago. Reading, we've had 6 or 7 centimetres in just the space of a couple of hours. And you can see on our radar picture here the snowfall. Northern Ireland across Wales, the Midlands and towards the southeast. It's creeping a little bit further northeastwards into East Anglia. We've got heavy showers following behind, but it's going to grind to a halt, that snow, for parts of the Midlands, Wales, southern and eastern areas. So several more centimetres. Perhaps the North Midlands might have 10 centimetres or more. It's creeping into parts of northern England as well. And we've got heavy showers with snow over the hills following, and hail and thunder to boot. It is a brighter picture further north across Scotland, just a few wintry showers. The snow should ease a little in Northern Ireland, but it's a real wintry picture, so it's cold even with the sunshine and not above freezing where the snow continues to fall. So no surprise, we've got lots of warnings out at the moment for that heavy snow, particularly Wales, Northern Ireland, central and southern England, but you can get more from your BBC local radio and of course on the website, the warnings, because even into the evening the snow keeps falling, and by that stage it may well slip southwards again and by midnight clear. So another few centimetres to come before that clears in southern areas. The showers keep going in the north. It is going to be widely frosty, -7, -8 potentially across the snow in the Midlands, for example. So bracingly cold, treacherously icy overnight and for Monday as well, but otherwise a quieter day following the day's snowfall further south. Very few showers around, perhaps 1 or 2 Northern Ireland, more for Scotland. And given that it'll be less cloudy, less windy with more sunshine, temperatures will just creep a little higher than those of today because we've got a ridge of high pressure. But from then on in, we've got the battle going on between this cold Arctic air and this milder Atlantic air trying to come in to bring us cloud and rain and more wind. Now, it's always going to be a battle, and it looks as if the cold air will always hang on in northern and eastern areas in particular. So that's where we'll see the brightest weather Tuesday morning, but quite a lot of fog elsewhere and lots of low cloud as this rain comes in over the cold air. It will turn to snow. So transition day on Tuesday, not that much rainfall around, but any rainfall at the moment is not good news, and that does fizzle out, as you can see, Tuesday night into Wednesday. But Wednesday's weather front's got more vigour, so we are going to see more rainfall on that system, and unfortunately in those areas already badly affected by flooding in recent days, the ground is still saturated, so those areas very sensitive to further flood issues. So we need to keep a very close eye on that, because that low pressure doesn't clear out the way till Friday, by which stage we've got another low pressure waiting in the wings. But for Thursday, Wednesday night into Thursday, those weather fronts do creep a little bit further north, but again you can see it just continues to rain as that weather front becomes slow moving. Heavy showers follow in the milder air to the south, still that snow risk in the north where we keep the cold air, and where we have that zone is always going to be open to question. Even on Friday, that weather front is still with us, still giving us some rain, but a drier day. This could cause some issues into next weekend with more snow, but the concern obviously going into the middle of the week is the fact that the ground is already saturated. We still have over 50 flood warnings in force at the moment with more rain this week. That is not good news. So we will as ever keep you posted. The warnings are on the website, but if you're heading out for the rest of today, bear in mind there's quite a lot of snow and it's settling.
Today I'm at the beautiful St George's Chapel in Windsor.